Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, how are you? Congratulations to all of us because today is the last day of my Alphabet Mandala series. As most of the people who are new to my channel are also thinking that why I'm saying this is the last video, because apparently this is the first alphabet, but I want to tell you that I started my Alphabet Mandala series from the Z. So like I made all the alphabets from Z to A sequence, not with the A to Z. So guys, I really enjoyed my Alphabet Mandala series. The best thing I was, why I like this, because the first thing is, as it is a series of total 26 alphabets, so it gave me discipline, because I knew that I have started a series, so I need to complete this, and I need to upload a video, one video daily for you. So that's why I make daily alphabets for you, so that I'll upload for you. So guys, this is the best thing. I noticed that I made all the alphabets in sequence without any gap, and really enjoyed this process. Even I want to ask you guys who have noticed this series and who have seen this series, guys, how did you feel while watching this beautiful mandala series? Have you tried a single alphabet mandala? Have you done this, or what was your experience? Please share with me. And if you want to learn something new alphabets, like something new artworks, please just let me know. I'll help you with this, because it will be blessing for me if you will come and ask that how to make a beautiful mandala, how to make or improve yourself in the mandala, because I can feel that someone is being motivating by me. So please guys, feel free to ask anytime that how to make the beautiful alphabet mandala. And guys, it's my suggestion, please just try once for a single alphabet mandala. It will be a great fun for you. So alphabet series complete होने वाली है, and in my alphabet series I have a question for you. It's a task for you guys. In my mandala series, alphabet mandala series, I made all the alphabets similar except two. Which one is? First one is A, and you have to comment on this video that the similar alphabet with A. So because there is two alphabets in the whole mandala series which I made differently with comparatively with the other ones. The first is A, you are watching, because in this I made all the patterns with black color gel pen, and I colored the pastel pens. I colored the designs with the pastel pens later on. So with this technique I made one more alphabet, and please comment in the comment section that which was the other alphabet which I made with this technique. So do let me know guys. And yes, I'm very happy that this series is successfully completed, guys. Now I'll focus on the other content too, so that because there is a lot of audience who will like to watch dot mandalas, so dot mandalas painting and ribbon art, so I'll upload those in the next upcoming videos. Later on we'll focus on the mandala art, so please, but do tell me time to time that what kind of videos you really like to watch, and I'll upload according to your choices, guys. And I would like to thank you guys, everyone, each and everyone who supported me in this beautiful mandala series with me, who were with me in this beautiful series. And guys, really, like, you support me, you gave me motivation to complete this, so I'm very happy. And please, I suggest, make at least one single alphabet mandala art, and do tag me, and I'll watch, definitely I will watch, and make you, trying to make you perfect in this mandala. So guys, here's the final look of A, and our series is almost completed now. Thank you so much for watching my series and my this video. Take care everyone.